Hello everybody. I, Dr. Sachin Kadam, a Chief Technology Officer at Advancells, welcomes you to our new webinar series. Today's topic for our discussion is personalized medicine, a tailor-made solution. Let me start the talk with a quote. It's far more important to know what person the disease has than what disease the person has. The reason why I selected this quote is because I wanted to emphasize that every individual is different and the disease he carries will also differ, and accordingly the treatment has to be different for every individual, but it's not the case everywhere. When I say two different individuals are different, this variation in them could be due to external factors like environmental factor they stay in, or what food they eat, and their living habits or lifestyle. While major difference is due to the internal factor between two individuals, and this is due to DNA that we share. These factors are different for every person. The nature of disease is individualistic as the person who has them. As I have already mentioned in my last slide about gene and DNA, and since personalized medicine is all about dealing with genome variation, let's get more clear idea about this genome and DNA. Our body is made up of organs, and every organ is nothing but the tissue. These tissues are further made up of different types of cells. There are about 200 odd different types of cells in our body, and every cell have its own set of genes. A gene is a stretch of DNA that codes for specific protein, and one entire set of gene is called genome. Our body is made up of tissues and organs, as I have already mentioned. In human being, there are about 200 different types of cells. Each genome contains 20,000 genes, and each gene has about 3.2 billion DNA. DNA based sequence is that differed them from one another. Even if around 99.9% bases are same in human being, remaining 0.1%, that is equivalent to almost 3 million bases, make a person unique. This uniqueness gives us different attributes, characteristics, traits, how the person looks, and the disease he or she develops. In current scenario, medical practices of allopathy, we have one medical formulation or one medicine to treat one disease. That means a group of people having one disease will be given same medicine. But in personalized medicine, as name suggests, the medicine for the same disease will be decided as per the person's body makeup and requirement. Hence, the treatment will be more individualistic and generalized disease he or she has. In routine medical protocol, on based on disease, some drugs are administered to all, irrespective of their body difference or genetic mechanism. This prescribed drug will act differently in different individuals. For example, if a group of individuals suffering with diabetes are given a metabolic drug like metformin, this drug will have its activity differently in different individual in that one selected group. For some individual, this drug might be toxic but beneficial. For some, it may not be toxic but beneficial. For some, this drug may not act at all. It will not be beneficial at all. and for some it will not be beneficial, but it may lead to toxicity or further drug related secondary complications or side effect. So in personalized medicine, we recognize that individual patient may react in different ways to the same treatment given for the same problem. Hence, the goal is to tailor therapies based on patient's DNA profile. And therefore, the personalized medicine is nothing but making the individual specific treatment considering the individual susceptibility to that particular disease. And this is done using different molecular diagnostic and analytical tools. Because of high rate of success, personalized medicine has gained popularity very rapidly. In personalized medicine, the right drug is given to the right patient in right dose at the right time. Hence, the success of treating this disease is more than conventional method. The tailor-made medicine and the protocol for the patient is determined by looking into the genetic and metabolic data of the patient to have more and more precise treatment modality. As I have already mentioned that personalized medicine have gained a popularity in very short time span, and this is because personalized medicine is safer and more effective drug as treatment is decided on the basis of individual makeup and probable response to the drug. It also eliminates the risk associated with the particular drug to the specific individual, as we predetermine the course of action of this therapy and the outcome are much faster and they are less expensive. Although so far we have said that personalized medicine is determination of drug based on genetic makeup of the individual, but mind it, we have to remember this, that the personalized medicine is not a genetic medicine. Now let's see how this personalized medicine is work, or how we design the study protocol for one particular individual. First, we do the genetic analysis of the person and study the genome of that individual to get entire gene related information. This information gives us detailed about that person's habits and his body makeup. Based on earlier studies and clinical information, the information of patient is analyzed or compared. This allows to predict the action of specific drug compound on that individual. The personalized study also helps in knowing the development of particular disease in that particular patient. With this information, it is more easy to choose the specific treatment mode from all available methods to treat that disease. Thus, personalized medicine differ from routine method of treatment where one single drug is administered to the patient for similar diseases. When we talk about disease, most disease, trauma and infectious pathogens are consequences of cellular damage at different levels. The key to the mitigating cell and or tissue damage repair needs cell therapy. Stem cell therapy is promising treatment that can be tailored not only to an illness but also to an individual patient. The potential of stem cell therapy includes a futuristic personalized medication in the event of tissue damage secondary to surgeries, toxin, trauma, aging complications from medication, autoimmune diseases and numerous other problems limited by current medicine. Autologous cell source are the first priority for stem cell therapy. Since they are safe, do not violate any ethical perspectives, and do not provoke immunological responses. Among various autologous sources, the induced pluripotent stem cells have also gained a great potential for cell-based therapy. In addition to direct treating patient tissues, induced pluripotent stem cells are also inducible to specific disease cells for quick, easy and personalized drug testing and dose selecting. Along with iPSCs, mesenchymal stem cells have also proven to give the same results. Stem cells drug are new member of stem cell therapy, personalized medicine and regenerative medicine. The development of stem cell drug have impacted and advanced the stem cell industry as well as pharmaceutical industry. For personalized stem cell therapy, we use cell biology and molecular biology approach to treat the given disease. As we are aware, Advancells is one-point stem cell therapy solution provider. We have range of different stem cell therapy for various diseases. At Advancells, based on patient's requirement and doctor's opinion, we select the source of cells. That is either autologous, that means cells from the same patient, or allogenic from different individual. Using these stem cells, we have got many success stories in various diseases like neuronal disorders, osteological disorders, aesthetics, liver, kidney, heart diseases, etc. In case of personalized therapy using stem cells at Advancells, we select the source of tissue that could be either bone marrow or adipose tissue in case of autologous therapy, and umbilical cord derived stem cells when we administer allogenic cells. These cells are directly used for therapeutic purposes as it is, or we differentiate them into specific cell or tissue type in our laboratory condition, and then these cells used for therapeutic purposes. These patient specific cells can be studied for genetic information for personalized medicine. Also, the drug metabolic action can also be studied on these cells before one could select the combination of stem cells and drug for the treatment. These preclinical studies and obtained data also helps in drug selection and dose determination for faster mode of action. Thus, stem cells in personalized medicine can be used in various settings, including disease modeling for drug screening or evaluation, stem cell gene therapy for gene correction, and stem cell therapeutic transplantation. Advancells Group is there to provide you health related solution in different way. Our different brands like Youthful Me catered in cosmetic division where we use stem cell based cosmetics. Advancells is known for stem cell therapy. In Koshika, we provide different types of cells for research purpose, and with our international collaborator Biopredict, we have started a brand called Biopredict Advancells, which caters into liver cells, skin models, etc. So with this, I would like to end my talk. If you have any doubt or any questions on this topic, the session is open for that. Thank you.